Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome to this video. In this video, I want to talk about how you can make $1,000 a day, freaking on OnlyFans, plus affiliate marketing, being like a cam girl and everything like this. So, if you are a cam girl, this video can apply to you, and if you're not, it can still apply to you because this is a make money method you can definitely leverage. Okay, so here we are. This is OnlyFans. This is kind of like a random account just to show OnlyFans. I mean, I don't even use OnlyFans that much. Okay, if at all, other than spying and testing stuff. Okay. Definitely wouldn't ever create OnlyFans content. That is for dang sure. But anyway, that's because I'm male. I don't think I would even. Okay. The point is, you can make a lot of money. That's what this all comes down to at the end of the day. That's the only reason someone does something like this. Okay. Adult marketing can make you really, really rich. I do paid ads. If you're new here, welcome to the family of the learning machines. And I want to teach you guys a method that is really, really powerful where you can basically push people to OnlyFans, do the right price points, do the right stuff, and absolutely demolish it. So, as your profile image, you could do your face or something that grabs attention here, and you really want to stand out from everything else, and you want to model success of those out there, okay? For this right here, do whatever you want. Really doesn't matter that much, but it can add, you could do like a value stack. You could say everything they're getting inside right here, and it can look all nice in graphic design. And then you can say what they're getting right here and kind of show off some personality here and what you write there, okay? Some things that set you apart. And then you need a lot of videos, okay? The more media you have, the longer you keep people on as a subscriber, okay, to your OnlyFans, which is a big deal, okay? Because then it's just more recurring revenue stacked up and more retention, people lasting longer, okay? And that's super key. You need to always be consistent with uploading content to your OnlyFans, but that's just a piece of the game. Then you've got back end sales you can do where a lot of money could be made. In fact, you could do paid ads and make money in the back end, selling stuff that's high ticket or just mid ticket in volume. Okay, that's super powerful. Now, here's the thing. If you're a cam girl, you'll notice if you spy on any of these cam girls for this method. Okay, you can go to some cam site here, some right here. This is my crack revenue. You could sign up for crack revenue, okay, and start promoting these offers. Now, if you're a cam girl or whatever, you're gonna go sign up on sites like this one, and this one, and you're gonna make content and you're gonna push people to your OnlyFans and link to your OnlyFans. You will always get a percentage to buy, and in fact, cam traffic will always convert the best for OnlyFans to get people to your OnlyFans. Okay, that's really powerful to understand. Really, really powerful. And you can also do affiliate marketing for all these sites too. Okay, and a bunch more. It just goes on and on and on with these offers. It's crazy. There's so many. It's ridiculous. You can crush it with this offer. This is the biggest offer out there. You don't want to run paid ads to this offer, by the way. But it's just crazy. And you can make money on top of that from just being cam girl. So it's like you can make thousands per day, no problem. There's a lot of girls doing this. I've talked to it a lot one-on-one, and they're absolutely making thousands and thousands per day. Like thousands. That's all I can say. I can't like throw crazy numbers out there like very specifically. Okay, but I could tell you right now they're making thousands per day, and their incomes have increased just talking with me, and it's crazy. Okay, because I could know how to monetize things to the max, perfectly. Okay, especially with this any business really. And I'm only 2 days into the month, and look, $4,000. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, and I'm just literally doing paid ads, and the profit margins are 5x. Okay, plus, and that's really, really powerful. Okay, guys. Once again, OnlyFans, you basically have a recurring subscription. You can get people in for free and then have upsells in the back and then make your free membership be paid in the future. Or you can go the strategy of basically having a pretty low cost subscription because you don't want to have it too high, okay? And what's considered low cost is really like $3 to $10, okay? This is what I've seen success with from people I've basically spied on, like seen what's working. Whoever out there is crushing it, I know what they're doing that's crushing it, okay? OnlyFans can make millionaires overnight, okay, just with OnlyFans. But when you monetize with more methods, you make way more money, okay? Way more money. It's crazy how many income streams you can create from all this. It's ridiculous, bro, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you guys want more value from me, check out links in the description. Peace out, Learn Machine. Check out more videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.